So it's mid-90s here in Oklahoma, and you wouldn't think that fall is right around the corner, but it is. And one of the things that we like to grow in the fall is zucchini. A lot of people don't realize you can still grow it in the fall, but it's one of the best times to grow it because the pests often aren't out as much as they are in the summer. Now, squash requires some care with growing because of how bad the pests are, and to help with that, we like to grow vertically. Ozzy, can you talk about how you can grow squash vertically with something like this and how it's different than other plants?
Sure. The way I grow squash is I always put some sort of trellising around it or behind it. And since it's not a natural vining type plant, it doesn't put out any kind of vines or vines, you'll need to attach that. As it grows, you'll need to attach that to your trellising system there. And you'll also want some sort of drip irrigation or a sub-irrigation or something along those lines, because you definitely do not want your squash plant to dry out, and it is an aggressive rooter and a big drinker.
And be on the lookout for squash bug eggs. If you go in our app and look at squash bugs, you can see the eggs and you can see how to take care of them. But they are, out of all the pests you'll deal with in gardening, they are one of the worst ones.